Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offer.
Here's a great question that I get, and I'll tell you why it's great. Because the question of how much can I get? Like, in terms of how high do your loan amounts go? And I'll tell you, $2 million. I'd love to give you $2 million. Show us, in terms of your bank statements, that $2 million is what you need to get to where you need to go. And there's a clear, logical pathway with your bank statements that demonstrate that. And we're more than happy to help you place that. I was very aggressive in my growth, so I understand, the mindset, especially today. You feel you might need a lot more money than you may have needed before. Houses are more expensive. Everything's more expensive. So you really need to make more. I get it. You may have only wanted 3 trucks. Now you're like, you know what? To have the lifestyle that I need 8. I get that. So demonstrate that, through the bank accounts, that you qualify for a higher number. It's not really on us, it's on you. That you qualify for a higher number, and you have a partner in getting you that capital that you need, and quickly. Thank you.
Opportunity. You need capital now. A simple 5-minute application. Often approved the same day. Cash in your account when you need it most. Fast deposits, immediate relief. Funding from $10,000 to $2 million. Designed for growing businesses. No collateral required. Fair credit. Okay, no lengthy approval waits. Just a 5-minute form. Our concierge services will guide you every step of the way. Better service, easier approvals, rated excellent on Trustpilot, hundreds of satisfied businesses, flexible credit, only 4 months in business, retail services, healthcare, and more. I'm Brian M. Hazel, and I'm here to get your business funded fast. When banks say no, we say yes. Start now, it's quick and easy. Fill a short form, upload minimal docs, get personalized offers quickly, and receive funds often the same day. Use capital to grow, restock, or payroll. Opportunities don't wait, neither should you. Act now to secure the capital you need. Apply now. Just click the link below or call 301-204-9063. Speak to me now. Better offers, easier approvals, no collateral, fast deposits into your account, 5-minute application, business lines of credit, or simply working capital, fast funding, real results. From retail to healthcare, equipment, inventory, payroll. Fund it today, apply today, fund today. Your business can't wait. Just click the link below.